Hello everyone. So many times in an interview, you will get this question that what kind of governor limits you have ever received or got during your programming, and what are the most complex limit you ever feel that they are difficult to tackle. So one of the most complex limit in governor limit is the CPU time limit, which means that your transaction is taking more than 10 seconds to run if it is synchronous, or 60 seconds if it is in asynchronous. So normally what happens is that whenever, let's say, you have an opportunity which let's say you update. When you update, it takes a lot of time, because what is happening in the back end is that it might be updating something on the let's say code or code line items, and then there are a couple of other things which are running on the code objects. They'll also run. Then they might update an account, and then account related things will run. Account will might update contacts and couple of other things in the same transaction. So if the overall time taken by the whole transaction is more than 10 seconds, you will hit this governor limit, and it is actually a bit difficult to tackle this, because you need to check the whole transaction, what is happening in the back end, and then you need to see what are the things which are not immediately required. You need to try to break the transaction into asynchronous. You need to try to move things into asynchronous, whichever things are possible. So all the things which you don't need right now, let's say you're updating couple of fields which are not immediately required, try to move it to future method. If you're doing something after saving the opportunity, let's say you need to create task or something, try to move it to asynchronous trigger. And in general, try to optimize your trigger. Your production ready code should not have any debug statement, because they are also counted as a CPU time limit usage. And you should also focus on writing best practices wise your code, so that you do not get this. Thank you.